Welcome! My name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist and today I would like to show you how to make pumpkin muffins with fresh ginger. This particular muffin is gluten-free and it's dairy-free. It's really easily digestible. Let's get started. For this particular recipe, you need a pumpkin, almond flour, coconut flour, 6 eggs, fresh ginger, vanilla essence, cinnamon, dash of salt. Now you can have butter or clarified ghee or coconut butter, whatever you like. I'm using clarified butter and coconut butter as well. Okay, so you will begin with mixing the ingredients together in a blender. So let's put it all together. Crack your eggs in. So I've been pre-cooking the pumpkin beforehand. You may invest in probably about 15 minutes in that step. So this is nicely cooked and still warm. Let's mix it with our eggs and the rest of the ingredients. So there is my clarified butter, coconut flour, fresh ginger, a bit of a cinnamon, about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons, a bit of salt, that's coconut flour, you need about 1 to 2 cups. And vanilla essence. Now blend it well in a blender. You can also use food processor. Okay, let's get started. Make sure you switch your blender off when you do that. You don't want to put your your spoon in there while this is on. That can be quite dangerous. Let's have a look if this is well blended. Yes, that looks fabulous. That looks just right. So the second step of the recipe is to prepare the tray with coconut oil. So I'm using organic coconut oil and I'm literally just going to pan it. I'm using organic coconut oil. I will prepare the tray for the muffin flour. So these are perfect as a snacks or even breakfast option. Our pumpkin muffin dough is now in a tray. Make sure you are going to put it into the oven that is preheat on 160 Celsius degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, open it up and check if they're ready. If not, allow extra 10 minutes. This is what I'm going to do now, and I see you later. There you go, our freshly made pumpkin muffins with fresh ginger. Out of the oven, cooked for about 30 minutes. I've cooled them down. They're ready to be served. They're somewhere in between. They're not necessarily savory and not very sweet. They're just delicious, and you can literally serve them any way you like. Enjoy it. Thank you so much, and bye for now.